Now let's start right to equality. This is the first fundamental rights that what we are going to discuss, right? Right to equality. Right to equality, I had already told you. Right to equality means equality before law and equal protection of law. That is what right to equality means, right? Are included in the rights to equality. The fundamental rights is the major foundation of all other rights. Means फंडामेंटल राइट्स एक फाउंडेशन है जो इतने सारे राइट्स की हम बात करने वाले हैं. लाइक फ्रीडम इज देयर, एक्सप्लॉयटेशन इज अगेंस्ट राइट अगेंस्ट एक्सप्लॉयटेशन इज देयर, देन राइट टू फ्रीडम ऑफ रिलीजन इज देयर, educational right is there, constitutional remedies is there. So we are going to discuss all the rights. और सभी rights का एक what we can say pioneer is what? A fundamental rights, right? So the fundamental right is the major foundation of other rights and privileges guaranteed to Indian citizen, right? So that all are guaranteed to Indian citizen, that we come to know from the fundamental rights. That is a pioneer. It is one of the chief guarantee of the Constitution of India. Means the Constitution of India is giving guarantee to the people of the country that all the fundamental rights are given to you, and you are that you can live a dignified life. Thus, it is imperative, means positive, that every citizen of India has easy access to the courts to exercise his or her right to equality. मीन्स के हमें राइट टू इक्वालिटी एक फंडामेंटल राइट हमें क्या हक देता है कि हम एज अ सिटीजन ऑफ अ कंट्री वी हैव अ राइट दैट वी कैन गो टू द कोर्ट, राइट? सो दैट इज अवर फंडामेंटल राइट एज अ इक्वालिटी. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस राइट, no person shall be shown favoritism on the basis of color, caste, creed, language, etc. यानी हमारे यहाँ ऐसा नहीं होता है. जज ये नहीं देखता है, यानी जुडिशरी ये नहीं देखती है कि हाउ मच रिच दैट पर्सन इज और हाउ मच पुअर दैट पर्सन इज. दैट फेवरिटिज्म इज नॉट देयर इन द जुडिशरी. All are equal under the eyes of law. That what that right to equality means, right? कि किसी को भी फेवरिटिज्म नहीं दिया जाता है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ के ये ऊंची कास्ट है, ये नीची कास्ट है, ये काला है, ये गोरा है, ये क्रीड है. सो नथिंग एज सच इज डन in the right to equality, right? All are equal. Law is equal to all. That means that means from the peon to the prime minister. मैंने बोला ना कि all are equal under the eye of a law. Means if a peon is there that had done the same crime, and prime minister of our country that had done same crime, then they both have to go to the judiciary. ऐसे बहुत सारे किस्से भी हुए. Many chief ministers are kept into the jail. They have to go to the judiciary. Many actors are there. They, like for example, we have example Sanjay Dutt is there, Salman Khan is there. There were many, right? So from this you can say that all are equal in the eye of the law. From a person to the peon to the prime minister, if they act against law, they are treated equally and are bound to the general court of law. However, the president and governors have certain privileges. Yes, the president and the governors has many privileges has been given to them, right? So that is a different thing, but still they are same in the eye of law, right? In each and every circumstances the law should prevail equally. यानी कोई भी situation हो, law should be prevail equally to every person. There should be no discrimination or specific favoritism shown to any particular person or class. Means under the eye of law कोई favoritism नहीं देना चाहिए any particular class or any particular person. Every law should be equally disseminated. यानी उसको follow भी उसी तरह से करना चाहिए. Every law should be followed in a proper manner. Every person shall have equal admittance to the public places like shops, restaurant, hotel, public entertainment places, have equal access to roads and lakes and use of public wells and bathing ghats. 100 साल पहले 150 साल पहले ऐसी सिचुएशन थी where scheduled caste people, those who are not allowed to get into the temples are there, public wells are there, lakes are there, they were not allowed, they were alienated, यानी उनको अलग कर दिया गया था. लेकिन उसके बाद कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना, उसके बाद उनके लिए इतने सारे लॉज बने, इतने सारे रिजर्वेशन बने. नाउ एनीबडी, जैसे कि मैं अगर बस में जा रही हूँ और मैं बस में बैठी हूँ तो मैं कोई बाजू में आके बैठ जाता है तो मैं ये नहीं पूछ सकती हूँ कि भाई आप कौन से कास्ट के हो, आप ये कास्ट के हो तो आप मेरे पास नहीं बैठो. वी डोंट थिंक एज सच, राइट? So that is what the equality means. When we go into the train or a bus or a public places or a garden, we are not bothered कि what type of religion people or caste or creed people are roaming around. So that is what the beauty of equality. That is what equality means. So scheduled ghats, however, the state has the right to make any special arrangement for women and children. यानी अगर स्टेट चाहे, अगर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन चाहे तो वो स्पेशल राइट्स बना सकते हैं. लाइक फॉर scheduled caste there are special right, for women there are special right, for children there are special right. तो a state can make a special right. तो उसमें आपको लगे कि हाँ हमारे में इक्वालिटी नहीं है, बट दैट कैन बी पॉसिबल व्हेन द कंट्री और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फील दैट के दे आर नॉट गेटिंग देयर राइट्स. So that at that time it has been done. So and for the development of any socially or educationally backward class or scheduled caste or a scheduled tribes. So women's के लिए, children के लिए, then for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, there are the special rights has been created in our country, in our constitution there are, right? So no citizen shall be discriminated on the basis of race, caste, religion, creed, descent or place of birth in respect of any government services and higher education under the state. यानी कास्ट, क्रीड, रिलीजन के नाम पे आप कोई भी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस में ये नहीं हो सकता है कि आप ब्राह्मण हो तो आपको बड़ी पोस्ट मिलेगी, आप स्केड्यूल कास्ट के हो तो आपको छोटी पोस्ट मिलेगी. नो, all are equal on the basis of caste, creed, religion, language, in every way, right? अगर ऐसा होता तो राजनाथ कोविंद is from the scheduled caste and he is the president of our country. So it was not possible if right to equality अगर नहीं होता तो, right? So this shows the right to equality, means all are equal, right? In matters of state public services, equal opportunities have to be offered to all the citizens. However, the state is given permission का spelling wrong दिया है इसमें, permission to make decision regarding required qualification for said services. Of course, यानी आप पढ़े लिखे नहीं हो और आपको कोई पोस्ट मिल जाए, so that is not possible. For that particular education, particular qualification should be required, right? Then you will get a you can enroll for in any government institute in that way. Now I am turning a page on page number 66. As a guarantee to social justice and personal dignity, untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is prohibited and punishable offense, right? Untouchability जो हम बोलते थे, गांधी जी ने पूरी तरह से उसको हटा दी, राइट? दैट मैंने बोला कि उनको अलाउड नहीं था, उनको टच नहीं, ये बहुत सारी चीजें थी. सो दैट इज कम्प्लीटली आउट ऑफ अवर सोसाइटी. नाउ नोबडी थिंक ऑफ इट इन अवर नॉर्मल एजुकेटेड सोसाइटी. टाइटल्स एंड एपिथेट्स, हाँ दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इस पैराग्राफ में वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस कि पहले जैसे कि हमने बात की फर्स्ट चैप्टर और सेकंड चैप्टर पढ़ा, सर जॉन शॉर, सर वाइली, तो हर जगह पे पहले उनको पदवी दी जाती थी. पदवी मीन्स के हम बड़े हैं तुम लोगों से, तो आपको सर बोलना है, सर फिर सर जी बोलना है, दीवान जी बोलना है, राय बहादुर जी जो बोलना है, यानी उनके नेम से पहले उनको एक एपिथेट दिया जाता था, एक टाइटल दिया जाता था. नाउ दैट हैज बीन कम्प्लीटली रिमूव फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी. व्हाई? देन वी डोंट फील इक्वल. अगर हमको किसी बंदे को जो एडुकेटेड भी नहीं है, शायद हमारे जितना पढ़ा हुआ नहीं है, शायद ही इज नॉट कैपेबल इन सच अ वे, पर फिर भी उनको बर्थ राइट मिला है कि उनके आगे सर लगेगा क्योंकि उनके खानदान में ऐसा है. तो दैट हैड बीन टेकन आउट, that has been completely removed from the society. Now titles and epithets which create artificial discrimination in the society has been removed. Artificial discrimination का मतलब क्या होता है कि जिसके पास जो those who have not earned that, like for example हम डॉक्टर के आगे डॉक्टर लगाते हैं तो डॉक्टर he has earned that by doing hard work, right? Then there are many other, like for example doctor is there, then major is there, general is there, चीफ मार्शल, फील्ड मार्शल, उस पे हम ये लोग उन्होंने अर्न किया है तो उसके आगे ये टाइटल और एपिथेट लग सकते हैं, राइट? पर उनको बिना यू हैव नॉट अर्नड इट एंड यू विल गेट द टाइटल, सो दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल नाउ इन द सोसाइटी. दैट इज इक्वालिटी. So, Sir, Divanji, Rai Bahadur are removed. After independence, the government, in order to felicitate special contribution and achievement of individuals in various fields, give special awards like Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, Paramveer Chakra. Chakra likha hai, Chakra will should be there, is awarded in military services. Adjectives like general, major, chief marshal, field marshal are added before names in the military services, which is not considered as a violation of right to equality. They are not considered. Why? Because they have earned it, right? So the aim of this right is to form an equitable society and thereby establish rule of law in India. To provide specific services to different types of groups or classes, there can be different types of provisions. अंडर लॉ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल देर आर डिफरेंट लॉ, अलग अलग लॉ दिए हैं. एडवोकेट के लिए आगे LLB लगता है, लाइक डॉक्टर्स पे डॉक्टर लगता है, टीचर्स, इंश्योरेंस एजेंसीज, विमेन, जुवेनाइल्स यानी दोज हु आर अंडर 14 or 16, they are known as a juveniles. The principles of equal pay for equal work is also the part of this article. Means सबको एक जैसा, अगर मैं काम कर रही हूँ और एक a male were also working, so that person should get the same pay as I should get. That is known as a equal pay, equal work. So this is what all about right to equality, right? Now we had discussed equality on the basis of constitution and all, right? Now we are going to discuss our next topic, that is right to freedom. Freedom यानी हमें क्या क्या हक है, that we are going to discuss, like speech and expression का हक है, then assemble peaceful assembly का हक है, right? हम दुनिया नहीं, इंडिया के किसी भी कोने में हम जा सकते हैं without any passport. We don't require passport for that. To reside in any part of the territory of India, to practice any profession, right? Any occupation we can carry, we can do any trade or business, right? It should not be illegal, it should be legal. Means under the control of the law, we can do many things. So that is right to freedom, which we are going to discuss in our next class. Okay.